Right guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to today's video. Today we are joined with a guest. What's your name? Tell them your name.
Edward.
And who are you?
Your son.
That's it. So we've got a new little helper today, wants to get involved, so we're going to get him hard at work. Today, what we're going to be doing today?
Fixing the Corsa.
Yep, we're going to be putting the front bumper back on the car. We are going to be refurbing the new alloys we've got for the car. For those of you that don't know what they are already, these are the new Corsa Vxr wheels, 18-inch as opposed to the original ones that were 17s. So we're going to be taking them off. We're going to be refurbing them. While we've got the wheels off, we're going to be changing the front pads, because in the last video you'd have seen that they were pretty low. We've now got them, so yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. It's a new boot lid. It's off of a 1.2, but my understanding is that they're all the same. So we've obviously got the VXR spoiler that we're going to take off the old one, put on this one. You can help me with that? Good man. Right, let's get into it. Sunny now.
Pardon?
Yeah. Sunny now. Right. We're going to change the brake pads first, yeah?
Yeah. I can see it coming loose.
Can you?
Yeah, I saw it just move down.
That's a good sign.
Yep.
Right. They're the new pads that we're going to be putting on.
Oh, it's coming off. There we go.
Get the camera in there. That's it. So that's what we're going to be changing, alright?
Yep.
What we need to do, there's a piston in there. We need to compress it back. So, there it is. Let's compress that back down so we can fit the new pads in. Get a wire brush, we'll give all that a clean up.
Yep. Brush all that off. It'll be cleaner than it was. It won't be the cleanest thing in the world, will it?
It'll be better than what it was.
Yeah. That's what that looks like. That's what they're changing. Looks horrible.
If we can do this, anyone can do this, can't they?
Yep.
The other one.
It looks easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Right.
They're the new ones.
I'll just show them guys.
Horrible.
Compared to
These
new ones. There's still a little bit of a...
Yeah.
So all we're doing at the moment is decompressing. Shit. It's decompressing the piston. Okay. So I'm doing, tightening it. It's pushing the spring down. See it? There is a proper tool for this, but we don't have the proper tool. But this will work just as well.
Yeah.
That should be enough.
Yep.
Get it off. Have a look. Right.
Got
Pretty
that
good
off.
to me.
Good.
No further. Right. Obviously, what we need to do is get some copper grease before we put these in properly. But we want to test fit them. Done. What do you think?
Good.
Right, this is the new colour of the wheels. I did actually knock it yesterday, so I need to sort of touch that in there. What do we think? Do we like them?
Yep,
Yeah?
I love them.
Good.
Look better than the black ones.
Yeah, so this is gunmetal grey, 2K. We're going to be spraying the rear diffuser in the same colour. It's not that much different from what it originally was on the diffuser. But we'll
Probably look better than it did before.
yeah, we'll get it fitted up. See how she looks.
Yep.
Stand back. What do you think?
Good.
I'll show YouTube if they like them.
Do you like them?
I'm sure they'll let us know in the comments. If you zoom in onto the brakes, new pads in there, you see them? Yeah? Right, so just quickly, just to show you guys before, I'm going to get these changed and I'll come back in once they're done. And then we're going to move on to fitting the front bumper. And then we're going to make a start by refurbing the other 3 wheels. Let's do this. Okay, so that's the brake pads all done. I forgot to put this back on the other side, so I'm going to get that put on now. Once that's done, we're now going to put the front bumper back on. What are you doing?
I made myself a chair.
Yeah? Good stuff. Right, we're going to get this bumper on, yeah?
Bumper!
Right, so the wheel's now on.
Shiny.
Yep. So what we're going to do now, we get that bumper on. And then that's sort of the front pretty much more or less done for now. Okay, so we now got that bumper on. It's all good.
Good.
There we go. Just got to put a centre cap on there. Get that wheel off. Put that back on.
On dry.
Hey?
Is that on dry?
Yeah.
Shall I put it on then?
Put them. All good?
Doesn't really match it though.
What do you mean?
Like the colour's a bit lighter, see?
No, it's just to work the angle of it. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to quickly do a little bit of time lapse of how we do these wheels. What we're doing at the moment, we're just sanding back the old paint, and then what we'll do is obviously give it a good clean, get all the dust and that off, tape everything up, then we will primer, let that go off, 1 coat of primer, and then we give it two coats with the gunmetal grey, let that set, and then we can put that on the car. Okay, so that's what the new wheels look like now on the car. Slowly starting to like this car more and more, to be honest. I like the fact that it's black. Obviously we've got the gunmetal grey wheels on it now. So this is the one that we just sprayed. Just got to do the centre cap. That one there. Look at that. What a great colour. Even these seats as well, look. Seats are great. Nice little car. Very impressed. So obviously in the next video what we're going to do, we're going to build the back end of the car up. Like I said, got that boot lid to fit. We've taken this off, putting that onto that boot lid. We've got the rear diffuser. We're going to be painting it in that colour. It's not a million miles different to the colour it was originally in, but I've got the rear bumper to put on. Just basically get it ready to take up to the paint shop. Get a good clear out in there, all the stuff, put that back in the boot. But yeah, me and the boy did this obviously the day after now, we did a little outro yesterday, so yeah, make sure you stick around to see the outro. It's great having him helping work on a car. He's got such a passion for it at such a young age, so it's great. Yeah.
What do we say?
What do we say?
Yeah.
Come here then, I'll do it there, yeah? So basically we're going to finish the video, yeah, by saying don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. So say that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video.
And we will see you very soon.
And we will see you very soon.
Take it easy, guys.
Take it easy, guys.
Peace.
Peace.
Hey, there we go. Well done. Peace.